Hey there, grade 4. It's now the time for revision of lesson 2, which is fraction. To revise fraction, we must revise 4 objects. The first one is to how to compare between fractions. Second one is to know what is equivalent fraction. Third partition is add and subtract like and unlike fractions. And finally, the last partition is mixed number, how to add, subtract, or convert into improper fraction. The first of all, we must know how to compare between fractions, and you must revise the timetable well, because the specific way we were going to use is depending on how are you dealing with the tables. Okay, if I have 2/9 and 8/14 and I want to revise it, I want to compare it, what I'm going to do, simply I'll do the scissor method, which is multiply 9 by 8 equals 72, and multiply 14 times 2. And if you can't remember how to multiply 14 times 2, we first multiply 2 by 4, which is 8, and then 2 by 1, which is 2. Now look at the two numbers, 28 and 72. Which is greater? Correct, it's 72. So Mr. Hungry will eat this 72. Okay. A second example. If I have 3/12 and 5/11 and I want to know which is greater, okay, I multiply 5 by 12 and that will be 60. Also, I'll multiply 3 by 11, which is 33. Which is greater, 60 or 33? Yes, it's 60, so Mr. Hungry will eat 5/11. I guess not hard. Now it's time to try by yourself. Okay, I'll try to help you in the first one, and you will solve the rest and send it to me on Waha American Math Homework at gmail.com. Again, Waha American Math Homework at gmail.com. Okay, if I have 3/4 and 1/4 and I want to know which is greater, simply I'll do the scissor method. For multiply 1 will become 4, and 4 multiply 3 will become 12, which is greater, 12. So 3/4 is greater than 1/4. Please try to solve the rest by yourself and send me as answer as photos, and hurry to get your GPA marks. The second partition we will go through is equivalent fraction. Equivalent means to be equal. How to find an equivalent fraction to this half? Okay, I'll try to multiply 1 by, say, 3. 1 multiply 3 will give me 3. Then if I multiplied 1 by 3, I must multiply 2 by 3. We can do thing up and not do it down. If you did anything to numerator, multiply or divide, you must do the same down. 2 multiply 3 will become 6. So we call 3/6 is an equivalent fraction for 1/2 or half. Another example, I want to know, are those equivalent fraction or not? If I multiply 4 by 3, it will give me 12. But if I multiply 7 multiply 3, it will give me 28? No. So, this one is wrong. Second example, 5 over 6. 5 to become 40. How many times 5 give me 40? Yes, it's 5 multiply 8. So I'll try to multiply 6 by 8. 6 by 8 give me 48. Yes, so this is correct one. So I can say 40 over 48 is equivalent to 5 over 6. We will try another one. 3 multiply how many give me 21? Excellent. 3 multiply 7. I'll try to multiply 10 by 7. No, it won't give me 30. So those aren't equivalent fraction. Another one, 6 to become 36. We are going to multiply by 6, right? Then I'll multiply the 9 by 6. 9 by 6 equal 54. So these are equivalent fraction. I guess not hard. So to sum up, I went through two topics. The first one is to compare between fractions by scissor method. The second topic is to find equivalent fraction to a given fraction. Like this one, 2 over 9, 2 became 18, so I did multiply it by 9. So I'll multiply also the 9 by 9, and that will give me 81. Okay, time to try by yourself. You can solve this sheet and send it to me over Waha American mathhomework@gmail.com. Okay, and remember, if you did anything up, you must do the same thing down. If you multiply 4 by 2, you must multiply 8 by the same 2. Okay, please stay tuned for other videos. Hope you all are safe. Stay well, please, and don't go out these days. Thank you for joining us. Bye.